Hey there, farmers of the future. Have you ever imagined talking to your plants or having robots harvest your crops? It might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is transforming the way we grow food. Like a trusty sidekick, AI is helping farmers work smarter, not harder. From planting seeds at the perfect depth to predicting the weather, AI is revolutionizing agriculture. Get ready to explore the exciting world of AI in agriculture, where innovation meets tradition to put food on our tables. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on an amazing journey. So, what exactly is AI doing on the farm? Well, imagine AI as a collection of smart tools that help farmers make better decisions. First up, we have precision farming. Think of it as giving each plant its own personal doctor. Sensors in the field gather data on everything from soil moisture to sunlight. AI then analyzes this data and tells farmers exactly how much water, fertilizer, or pesticides each plant needs. This prevents waste and helps plants thrive. Next, we have smart irrigation systems. These systems use sensors and AI to water crops only when they need it. No more wasting water or drowning your plants. Drones are also becoming essential farmhands. Equipped with special cameras, drones can survey vast fields in minutes, identifying pests, diseases, and even weeds. And hold on to your hats, because robots are rolling into farms too. These aren't the clunky robots from old sci-fi movies. These robots are nimble and efficient, able to plant seeds, harvest crops, and even milk cows with precision. Finally, AI is helping farmers stay one step ahead of pesky pests and diseases. AI algorithms can analyze images and data to detect early signs of trouble, allowing farmers to take action before an outbreak ruins their crops. Now that we've met the AI farmhands, let's talk about the benefits they bring. First and foremost, AI makes farming more efficient. By using resources precisely when and where they're needed, farmers can save time, money, and precious resources like water. This efficiency leads to increased productivity. When crops are healthy and resources are used wisely, farmers get more yield from their land. That means more food for everyone. AI also empowers farmers to make data-driven decisions. Instead of relying on gut feelings, farmers can use AI insights to optimize every aspect of their operation. But it gets even better. AI promotes sustainability. By reducing waste and using resources responsibly, AI helps protect our planet for future generations. Plus, AI can help farmers adapt to the challenges of climate change by optimizing irrigation and predicting extreme weather events. While AI offers incredible potential, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the high initial cost of AI equipment and software. Investing in AI can be expensive, especially for small farmers. Another concern is data privacy. As farms become more connected, it's crucial to protect sensitive data from cyber attacks and unauthorized access. Technical barriers can also pose a challenge. Not all farmers have the skills or knowledge to operate complex AI systems. Education and training are essential to bridge this gap. Finally, many AI applications rely on internet connectivity, which can be unreliable or unavailable in rural areas. This can limit the effectiveness of AI solutions. Despite these challenges, the future of AI in agriculture is bright. Imagine a world where vertical farms tower over cities, growing fresh produce year-round using AI-powered systems. AI is also revolutionizing weather forecasting, providing farmers with more accurate and localized predictions to make critical decisions. The entire supply chain is getting smarter thanks to AI. From optimizing transportation routes to predicting demand, AI helps get food from farm to table with minimal waste. And perhaps most exciting of all, we're on the cusp of autonomous farms. These farms of the future will be managed almost entirely by AI and robots, freeing up farmers to focus on more specialized tasks. As we've seen, AI is poised to revolutionize agriculture in ways we never thought possible. By embracing these technological advancements, we can build a future where farming is more efficient, sustainable, and productive than ever before. Just imagine a world where everyone has access to fresh, nutritious food grown in harmony with nature. That's the promise of AI in agriculture. And it's a future worth investing in. So buckle up and get ready for the ride, because the future of farming is here, and it's powerful.